In today's video, we are going to show you how to enable plugins in Mozilla Firefox. Whether a website isn't working properly or you need to allow a specific plugin, this video will help you fix it. Let's begin. Now, open Firefox and go to the top right corner where you can see the three horizontal lines, and then scroll down to Settings. And in the left side area of the navigation, I want you to click the extensions and themes. Here, all I have to do is super simple. Go to plugins and search any plugins that you wanted to enable here in Firefox. For example, I am going to type in plugin, and there is going to be like 2,000 results that you wanted. For example, let's say I am going to choose this plugin checker. Click on it, and of course you have the ability to add it to Firefox. Okay, if you do, you have more controls. If you wanted to allow the extension to run in private windows, you can do so and click the add button. Okay, so it's asking for permissions, and if you want to pin extensions to toolbar, you can also do that and click the OK button. All right, now as you can see, the plugin is enabled, and you can simply click the icon here to turn it off or turn it on. Now you can simply go back to the add-ons manager, go to the extensions, which is going to be the plugin checker, and you can simply toggle it on and toggle it off if you don't want to use that plugin. It's super simple. Okay, and basically that's it for today's video on how to enable plugins in Mozilla Firefox. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.